Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my sneaker channel, and for today's episode, I'm going to share with you some of the very best non-hype, easy to get sneakers that came out this year, 2020. Interested? Let's go! By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We actually already announced the winner of the Tech or Treat Tech Mob giveaway. So if you want to find out who are the winners, check out the Unbox PH Instagram account or Facebook page. The links can be found down below. I'll also be announcing new giveaways very soon, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button right now. So the first set of sneakers are kicks that are easy to get, that's all about being bouncy and springy. And when it comes to that category, I was able to get and review two sneakers in that particular area. The first one, of course, is this one. I think it's like the ZK or ZX2K. It's one of my favorite Adidas sneakers that recently came out. Super comfortable. You get that spring in your step, that bounce. I don't know if it's this material that they used to encase the boost, but it's a really great shoe. And the best thing about this one is that there are a lot of colorways available already in the market. Just pick the one that fits your personality. They're comfortable, they make you move forward, and they look nice. So that's the first one. And again, they're easy to get and they usually go on sale. Now, from the Jordan brand side, we have this. And this is like a hit or miss for a lot of people. It's called the Jordan Trunner Ultimate. It's called Trunner not because it's a trail runner. It's called Trunner because it's supposed to be either for training or running. That's why it's Trunner. Now, if there's one thing that I feel with this shoe is that it is ridiculously bouncy. As in, it is like easily 3 to 4 times bouncier than this. And it is easily 5 to 10 times bouncier than an Ultra Boost. So this is a ridiculously springy shoe. However, there are issues with balance. There are issues with being able to, keep stable. But if that's what you want, this is the shoe to get. Again, available, easy to get, usually on sale online. The second category of sneakers are shoes that what I consider to be shockingly comfortable. And when I say shockingly comfortable, I never expected for them to be ridiculously cushiony, but when I tried them on, I was pretty much blown away with how great they felt when I put them on feet. So I have 3 sneakers that I want to show you. So the first one is this, which is the Nike Zoom type sneaker, and probably the most comfortable chunky sneaker that you can buy today, period. I mean, the double stack of Zoom or foam that they use for the shoe plus the air units that you have over here at the front is an amazing combination of technologies. This one, the part in the midfoot and at the heel, gives you really great cushioning. So you feel that pillowy softness, and when you try to step forward, the air units here at the front give you that bounce, give you that spring, so that it actually assists you in moving forward. So it's not just super soft to the point that it's mushy, it's a great combination of mush and push. O, diba? Ganda na, I should coin that term. So that's first sneaker, the Nike Air Zoom type. Now, the second shoe is somewhat of a sneaker that I really didn't expect to be super comfortable, which is the Nike React Vision. And this one is one of the more affordable React sneakers that you can buy today in the lifestyle range. And apart from being super soft on feet, I love the design. I love that extended heel clip that you have here at the back. Gives it a little bit more personality, a little bit more edge. Kinda reminds me of the Sakai's when they came out, or the Daybreak sneakers. But yeah, it's a well-built shoe, very breathable, very flexible, and again, the React on this is insane. So that's the second surprisingly great, comfortable sneaker that I was able to pick up. I have to throw in this sneaker because I recently reviewed it, and it is easily one of the most comfortable shoes that you can buy for under 5,000 pesos. This is the Peak Tai Chi Sport 2. So it's the latest Peak Tai Chi sneaker. So to those who don't know, the Peak Tai Chi is hailed as one of the most comfortable running shoe of 2019. So it kind of follows that the 2020 version would be just as good, and they really didn't fail to deliver. Man, this is just a memory foam on your feet, and it sells for less than 5K. The only issue is that the design might not appeal to everybody because of the very unconventional lacing system wherein they use like these circular things, which I still don't understand how to use. But man, they're really soft and they're really great to wear on feet. If you want to buy one, I'll link it down below to Lazada. You can actually buy it here in the Philippines, and they're really good. I swear, if you put this on feet, you will really feel how great they are. Now, the third thing, or the third category of sneakers that I really love that are not hype, are Manila or Philippines inspired shoes. Now, the first one, of course, is this, which is the Adidas Ultra Boost DNA City Manila. So I did a review of this already. I featured it on the channel, but ultimately it's basically like an Ultra Boost that's inspired by the Philippine flag colors. So the upper is some different shades of blue, and then you have that maroon red like cage and red laces. Tas Manila over here, kind of like how you would usually see it on like the airport tag or city tag, MNL, and then the Adidas logo says Mabuhay here at the back. So that's a really nice added touch. The Ultra Boost is some sort of yellow, and you have splatter of white and yellow here along the cage, and of course you have the Boost midsole. So it is a ridiculously comfortable sneaker. It is an Ultra Boost. It was very easy to get. I just had to walk into the store at Sports Central. It was there. So yeah, this is a really great shoe that you might want to consider, which is the Manila Ultra Boost. There's also the Manila Superstars, which came out, which is still available over at Planet Sports or Sports Central over at 3rd floor Podium Mall. So again, Manila inspired shoes. You can also go for the LeBron Titan sneakers that also came out a couple of months back. All red, really dope, screamer of a shoe. By the way, before we continue with the list, let me just plug that I have a new dedicated channel, YouTube channel, that's all about watches. And I recently did an unboxing of my first Panerai watch. I actually have it over here. So if you guys want to watch my unboxing and on-wrist review, as well as the story behind this Panerai for me, hit the comment section or hit the description box. There's a link there to my watch channel. Hope to see you guys there as well, and hope you support the channel by also subscribing to it. Now, the last category of sneakers that I ended up loving a lot this year are sneakers that were reimagined from the past and brought to the future. So inspired by something really OG, something that has great heritage and legacy, and then you apply the latest technologies and you try to redesign it for the next generation. Now, this sneaker was slept on by a lot of people. It's the Air Max 2090. So I don't think that it got the hype or the recognition or the love that, you know, probably Nike expected it to get at the same time that the 270 got when it first came out. Maybe because it's not as comfortable, maybe it's not as bouncy, but I really love it for some reasons. I've been wearing this a lot this year. I've been beating it up a lot this year. That's why you probably see all of the creases on the foam. But yeah, it's a hit or miss. Some people hate it, some people kind of like it. I like it. I don't know what's so bad about it, but yeah, this is one of the sneakers that I love, that I don't think a lot of people have the same feelings towards. So yeah, that's the last category of non-hype sneakers that I'm totally loving this year, which are reimagined or brought to the future type of sneakers. Actually wraps up my vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think are the sneakers that you felt were unhyped, underappreciated, underrated, that you ended up liking a lot this year. Would love to hear from all of you. This is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys are all good. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.